Maybe I can be able to pay rent for you. Ardently. Renting a nebyo kulya webiri. Somebody else builds a house for you now kusulo tomuuliza tomaina jadi nga yakuwa nyumba. Tomaina na yakawo musasula. That's not responsibility. You need two things from a mom. Responsibility and consistency. Bibiri, romance mwera bige. Bwa mufunye thank God. That is marriage.
I know.
Kati ono that's why I'm gonna put down bya 48. I'm looking for a rich man.
Wealthy man.
And the rich are going to come.
Oh yes.
Because they want to see what's in your duty. Bamareba duke.
Bagende.
Bakoyambule magambe kati mfunye muko.
Oof. Imagine.
Do you know what it means for a top woman who had a prime time to be here looking for love? It means she's empty. Era no musajja ategera sagenda kwoyo kuja ko Rasa Enzo mugata. Rasa Enzo mugata mu category. You know why Rasa?
He's Muslim now.
You know why Rasa? He has nothing to lose.
Yeah, I know, right? And he's Muslim now, so he's he Muslim. Can so you know.
So and we are here going to have a generation of troubles. Trouble after trouble. Ola wale msajja yabadda ajama madinisa. Hey. Kata usajja mwesi bako mwesi.
Jamu namugamba genda wayenze genda togenda tutabirode nasoka jamu olujji togenda sula muli.
Akati kamba buli abana ababwala. Kasito yenda ku musajja. It's not toxic. Kasito yenda ku musajja. Maureen. So what did I call you, Maureen? Doreen. Kasito yenda ku musajja manye byamwe biwedde. No man era osanga ngo musajja nga akusonye nga wayenze. Sister, be careful. Agenda kutta. Straight ne? Packs stands.
It's okay. Ojabi jambiri ya? Kale. Tubade tu whispering packs. Gatuno jebye kuogera kwa manyi packs otamugamba.
Byona biwa. Kati wano ekikulu kasa sweet niyaze packs tali attentive. So?
Mo packs tali attentive.
Kale. That's better.
Kale guys, hi lovelies, welcome to Love Life on my YouTube channel, Dorina Sasira, and I am back with the lovely, the handsome. Somebody like that trick is handsome.
I am a handsome man. Got a shit out.
Oh God, no man is it's good to blow your own trumpet, and I don't like a man who blows his own trumpet.
No, it's okay to know. It's okay to have confidence. You know what confidence is? Confidence is not what you are. Confidence is how you feel about yourself.
So regardless of what people think about you, as long as you're comfortable.
You feel good about yourself. That's all that matters.
Right? How have you been?
Been lovely and wonderful.
Looking nice.
Banjagala.
Please.
Hey, banjagala.
Love it is.
Muna love inenge byekola nga tobitegera.
I know.
Tomanyi. Onyira tomanyi nembalabe zigenda.
Okitegera.
Yanze nsanga omuntu alina embalabe nnyingi skinny ngambi. Mubuuzo olina yakwagala.
Bwengamba no ngomanya
bwengamba kati tunofuna akwagala skin eterere.
Okay, so kati bwefuna omuntu anjagala skin eterere, how like naturally the skin glows naturally.
Let me tell you about happiness. Happiness releases a hormone.
Yeah.
A hormone, dopamine release. It's a feel good hormone.
Yeah.
Once you feel good entirely, all other hormones begin to come closer to you. The oxytocin, the horny hormone, you feel good about yourself. Everything is released.
Yeah.
This body and happiness is. Have you seen someone who have hormonal imbalance? Hey, sometimes hormonal imbalance can be a reason why your skin is out of shape.
Yeah, true.
Having somebody you love and hormonal imbalance are related. Do you know in women, most of the medicine they give women for hormonal imbalance issues, they get too horny or they get too wet. Really? It is within the within. Face we bambi so kufuna akwagala uliko kole ku face.
Uliko kole ku face?
Skin endoneka.
Tukitegedde. So Bryan, there's something that has been trending today. This artist Tinda
Tinde.
Said Mbo at her age I don't subscribe to age, but anyway. She was like, I'm looking for a wealthy man to marry me. The comment section. She looks to be like in her 40s there.
I was in secondary school, but she's already a top celebrity.
Exactly. She might be in her 40s.
She must be in 45 plus.
Yeah, there. But in the comment section, who is going to text my swimming pool? Who is going to...
Madam,
really matter?
If you grow up and you don't have money, you are a curse.
No.
If you grow up, you're a grown-up woman.
And I have no money.
And you don't have a money.
I'm a curse.
Why would you even talk about money at your age? You're supposed to be a sponsor.
You're kidding.
Like a 22-year-old, 23, 30, talk about a rich man.
So you're putting sweetness in this,
sweetness talk about a rich man. But you're an old woman. You're talking about a rich man. You are disgraceful to womanhood. She would have said, I have enough money. I want somebody comfortable. The way we phrase things matter.
I want someone comfortable.
Hey, I have my money. I want somebody to enjoy life with.
So what you're trying to say, ladies in their mid and late 40s or early 50s are not supposed to...
Jaja yatugamba osanga ng'omwala nga asuse emyaka ana nga si mufumbo nga talina musajja mulogo oba mulogo oba musezi buli kibi kiba kuggwe
mukama
kati ate abakazi abo olugezi osanga omukazi 40 plus nga tali mufumbo manya ye n'olugezigezi bali bati olugezigezi akamanyiro n'ejjogo bibiri biti kati yalina kufuna ate baana bato baanaafuga ate kati yalina okuba
sente.
Exactly.
So chiba kibi nnyo okugamba no, I am 45, 48, I'm looking for a man who has money.
A rich man. What are you going to offer? Ebitundu by'ekyama tebikyali by'akyama.
Oh God. But then there's in that situation.
It depends on the life you have been. She's been in love scandals before.
Yeah, she has.
Then I'm going to mention someone in a weird way because we're in the celebrity world. There's a woman I adore. But her public space is so private. A calmness when she's speaking. You know what? Ancestor. Ancestor.
Bryan.
Ancestor. Baba kulabirako.
Oh God.
Kati mwabaana abato mulabira ku kikuoyo omukyala. Kasita osuka emyaka 45 ng'omukyala oba ofuse ancestor oba olina kuba kyakulabirako. Kati bw'oba tuli kyakulabirako, what are we going to do? If a 23-year-old girl is looking for a wealthy man, 45-year-old woman you're looking for, what are we looking at? It's very serious.
So, yabadde inachi rephrasing agambe, I am looking for either a young man to take care of or a young man to marry or a comfortable...
She's been in the industry for more than 10 years or 15.
Yeah, she's been there for long.
If you've done something for more than 10 years and you're not successful in it, you are a failure. So you have failed in your career. You want to bring your failure on another man who has, achieved success.
But Bryan, oh God.
Let me tell you, you see, I'm a fan of also Bad Black.
I love Bad Black.
I love her so much. You know what she did? You've seen what she's done.
Yeah. And she thanked the guy for loving her for who she is. And there's a time where tugamba way back manyo gere bigamba bingi wagamba nti ntateba malaya basobola okukola they can make good wives.
They can make good wives.
This is something you said people complained. That was some time back.
You know why malaya can make a good wife?
No.
Bamukoze byonna babi free pins. There's nothing else she's looking out for. She's looking for somebody who says I love you and they mean it. Huh? So for her, if she's looking for love now, she's very empty. Let her be filled.
Her cup has to be filled.
Boy child, bosanga ko mukazi 40 plus. Anonya love. She's empty. She's going to be pain for you. 40 plus, you're supposed to be confident. You're supposed to be well balanced.
Yeah.
Well endowed in everything that you're bringing in somebody to play along with you. We become players. And we get someone to invest in you with your public parts.
Public parts.
And where's a photo what in a private parts or in a public parts? Because many people have seen them.
Yes. Someone's ears do not determine the body count. There are people in that
body count. Did I mention body count?
You bring out like that. It's coming off like that, Bryan.
No, I didn't say body count.
What do you mean by public parts?
Because you have more than 2-3 people that have seen them.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
So they become public.
They become public.
Oh God.
And if you're in the celeb world,
It's worse.
it's worse. So this is spiritual. Tinda is in a spiritual battle, and she needs acceptance. She needs acceptance.
Oh God.
Madam, first accept that biganye, calm down, relax, make money now. Didn't you do? You see, it shows how bad of a manager you are, how bad of a managing yourself is. You're in that area. You're still looking for satisfaction through other people's means. Aina kuba advisor wamwe, aina kuba senga wamwe. Kati senga wamwe abana abato abanga ate yatanse okunonya munonye fanaganako bwetu. Kati yani wada paraphrasing. You see, I am lonely. I'm looking for somebody to enjoy my adulthood with.
Wow.
Kakati ku myaka gye wabanga asobola okuteekako ekigambo ekyo. It shows how shallow minded she is.
Wow.
You see, everything in relationship revolves around emotional intelligence. What is emotional intelligence? I keep on telling you this. What you say, how you say it, and when and where. If I'm always in a dating space looking, hearing people here and that. When a girl comes to me and say, Bryan, I want a comfortable man, I want a rich man. Your statement, yabana bato.
Comfortable, rich, yabana bato. So a grown-up person says, but I want someone who's going to give me peace. I want a friend, a companion.
A grown up, if you're still looking for means to survive. That's a statement for survival means.
Oh, survival.
That is a statement for survival means.
Okay, now that.
Because Mukulu 40 plus, you're looking for a rich man. That means you're looking for survival.
Okay, I'm getting your
Survival
point.
is for younger girls.
Like Sweetney.
Like Sweetney. She can even say that, and I'm like, yes, baby, go on. I can tell her.
Sweetney, yes,
but if you're 40 plus, you're the one who has to have money. Kati gweza kulema, bayagala kufiira ku mwana abandi na bwavu.
Mbona wabandi da bwavu.
Kati obwaba ayagala musajja omugagga. Bagenda musajja. She's about to be up for kumweyambululiramu.
They do it. By the way, you're right. If you come off desperate like that.
When you do that desperation, bagenda kweyambuliramu bakubeereko tebagenda kutwala. Why? Because most of them look for a conduit. I've been a bit spiritual. Every man who is doing ritual sex is looking for a conduit. A conduit is who can carry my demon around.
My demon, yeah.
Walaba desperate ne position omuntu gyali mu ng'ajjanga akweyambuliramu ng'osiranira ddala. Nekosigadde ka standard bakatwala. So when I see a person in that public space who is supposed to be an ancestor, gwe tulabirako, ate ye ayagala kulabirako ffe. Bambi, sinandite yetaaga spiritual work, a lot of spiritual work. Oba si kyogenda osiramuke bakusabire mu luswala, oba genda olooke, oba genda ko mbajjajja
bakwambule.
Because that is already a bad sign. Every time, when you're in a dating space, you're lonely. Ainayo kubaana.
But no one even knows. Maybe.
Ainayo kubaana.
We don't know.
Never uweza fote nga tolina nabaana ofuuka ekyentiisa eri abasajja abamu.
Lwaki? So omusajja nemala mpeza 40 for example, omusajja nambuuza nemugamba I have no child. That's a bad sign.
Kangama agamba wali kuki olina buzibu ki 40 you're beautiful, no child. At least beerako ne failed marriage emu.
Nobagamba naliko mufumbo n'envayo n'enziruka.
How we applaud you. Naye kasobera owaza 40 nagambye abaana leero on my title, if you become 40, no child, no man, you have a problem. You have gezi oli mulogo anti bobera ngoli ku neighborhood ngoli single and adult bagamba omwana akamulogo gwe musamize buli afiirwa omwana bagamba yamuloze buli alemu obufu bagamba yafuwe emindi. Everything
bad is on me.
Is on someone old without nothing. Era zinabagamba otuka ku age at a certain place, you're not looking for love. Whether 35, stop looking for love, create love. How do you create love? Zala yo mwana. Alisi yako agali. Omwana wajja kwagala ebyadda. You know where true love is, baby. Omwana, my baby can tell me, Papa, I love you. Nchimanya akitegeeza. Kati love weegana creating. Nkute wa bidori now.
Line ya atajimanyi.
The table I'm shaking.
Line ya baby eyo.
No, the table I'm shaking as beautiful drinks. But this is one of the realities we have to look at as men. Everything in relationship is emotional intelligence. I told you, doing the right things in the right time. And saying the right things at the right time. There are words I cannot expect the ring to say.
I know.
You can't be my friend and certain things. Someone being close to me and you're not intelligent enough to understand what love is, what relationship is. Kaka to you. We cannot say all men are bad not to marry you. At least to 45 or not to failed marriages.
But relationships is
failed serious. Failed. What is your problem?
There's an issue.
There's an issue.
Yeah.
We have to address that. And you know what? A lot of girls don't realize that. Today I had a girl on my life. She's 40 also. 40, she's looking for someone, because we were talking about younger boys who are not supposed to date one girl at a time. If you're younger, date multiple so that you have a list of things. And she goes like, can I also date many people? And I'm like, how old are you? I am 40. Remember, you are already a problem. You are your own problem, and you're creating many. Let me tell you something. There are seasons that we have to look at, and every season must. But do you know
there are people who are 40 and they don't look 40? Number one. Number two, do you know there are people who are 40, yeah? And they look blessed.
Baby, I've seen people who are saying they're cool, but they're dying inside. They're desperate.
But they're just inside, they're desperate, but they try to pretend like
they have a lot of inner turmoil. They are struggling themselves.
Yeah, there are those that.
The comfort. It's okay for solace purposes. God bless you, but you're not okay, darling.
You're lonely?
So I tell you what, can't you be lonely? Why aren't you lonely? Motivational speaker. At 40, you become a motivational speaker. I am okay myself, self-love.
Oh God, no.
We must do things at the right times. I've seen many younger girls who wasted their times. They wasted their
20s, their 30s, and now
they wasted them, and now they're desperate on the rant. At least to make what if I go back? My friend Bad Black, like have a history of things.
At least I steal someone's man.
Now let me tell you girls, you keep on lying to yourself. A man will marry you in whatever situation he is. I keep on telling you, men are the only people who have unconditional love.
Unconditional love.
Yeah.
No strings attached.
Haven't you heard these stories? The first day I saw that girl, I knew she was going to be my wife. Haven't you heard those stories?
Yeah, I had those stories.
The first day, what did she do? On the first day, what did she do?
Nothing, literally. Just showing up. That's all.
Men love plainly. Akusangana abana batano ate nakwasa. Kati bwezala abana abo bakwagale. Dobagaye Bad Black ali lonely.
No, aina bana be bana.
Amita daddy amita.
Asha.
Eni yali amita Slim Daddy.
Oh, Slim Daddy
ne watabaawo bajona bagenda kumwagala ebya. She's one of the women I'm very proud of.
I know.
Very proud of.
Yeah.
So let us achieve in our age the things we have to achieve. If you fail to achieve money, achieve things. Kati toina bana, toina bintu. What were you doing in your 20s, 30s?
I tried.
What were you doing in your 20s? No, they wasted their time. Neberaga, bamanyira ne bajoga n'abasajja. Ate ne babaloga. Ngabeyambulira. Nolya sente z'omusajja mu 30s nga tomwagala.
Omukazi na musajja nakuloga.
In my diary of the therapist.
You're kidding.
In my diary of the therapist. Abaana babakoze ebintu. You cannot eat a man's money. You don't love him. Ngoba tomwagala tolya sente ze. Ngambe sikwagala.
Was it wrong?
Eddogo terikwata ali innocent.
Wow.
Kati abasajja batandise diversion. Kati oyo alina ebimutawaanya bamukola ebintu.
So bomulira sente nga amanya ajja kufuna.
Era nze ngenda ne bagaba abaana obuwala. You know our prime age as women? From 22 to 26 prime age. Obo you know, bobanga oli 22 to 26 madam ngo toyina abasajja bagala kuwasa bali munana. oyina ekizibu.
They should be lining up. They want to marry you.
When you're
proposing.
in that age bracket, you must be chasing proposals. Naye obanga oli mu 22 to 20 tofunangako proposal yonna.
There's a problem.
Waliwo ekizibu. Oyina omudibo oba tewakuzibwa bulungi.
Baliwo ekyakwambala.
Kakati no whether on the age bracket, you know, women have there are 3 stages we look at you.
Okay.
Prime age 22 to 26. Prime. Oyina okubanga mu securingira ani anakuwasa ku 28.
Okay.
Bwakulema mwayo season ng'otuuka mu kyebayita dying age. Emyaka gy'akawungezi. Dying age tebakolera mu nsobi. Buli kyokola kiba calculated.
Wow.
And dying age, that is 27 to 30. And you know, 27 to 30. There is sex you want to do for just sex.
You be very careful.
All of relationship, you don't just for. Sira kubanti onanjagadde simanyi bajjanjagadde ngende. Your decision.
Yeah.
Bagamanza newe kiba choice mugenda ko. You are intentional. It's what that dying age. Myaka gy'akawungezi.
27 to 30.
Kati omo buli mwana gwofuna kizibu nnyo okusanga omwana ali mu 20 between that age nga jjamu olubuto. What are you doing? Bila ya 22 bajiramu embuto. How can you start aborting at 27?
Then there's a problem.
Basically bad at decision making.
Yeah.
Eyo age bracket yakawungeze. Tebajja mu lubuto, tebamala gebakana buli muntu. Obo byonna because obo bitegedde. I actually find it weird when you in that age and you say, Bryan, I'm sleeping with 6 men. I don't know who to choose. I'm like, you're stupid, girl. Womanyira nti kakati baby womanyira nti kati 26 28 netaga now if you're in career you're developing your career. Either music career is growing or whatever industry you are. You're actualizing. You're going for your masters, you're going for this, you're trying to be something. Myaka gy'akawungezi tebakolera mu nsobi. Bw'omanya nti kati njagala happiness ngenzi wa Bryan atunda masanyu. Mufunako masanyu. Bw'omanya I want stability, I want support. Ononya musajja alina ssente. Awo tebakola nsobi. Todda mu love, tononya love weetali. In that season they are securing the next pattern, which is going to be dangerous season. 30 to 35.
30 to 35.
That is the most desperate place. That's why you're going to start chasing men. That's when you're going to start forcing them. What are we? You start asking questions.
What are we?
What are we?
What are we doing?
Where are we going? Where do you see us in 5 years? In 30 to 35, that's why you start nagging men.
30 to 35.
You start
nagging men.
Because everything is going. You want to settle down and find out something. Mama watan ku 30 35 basale tebabuza musajja. Bakubuza mwana.
Twayakana wakiri.
22 to 28 bakubuza musajja. 30 35 bagamba baby omusajja abaga leto omwazala.
Leto wakiri funa yakana.
Bazukulu mama omwe ebisata kubuza musajja.
Oyagala kana.
Kitegeeza ki nawe oli mu desperate times gwokwatako gubba okola buli kimu
n'onyweza
otandikira n'okulogako mweyo season otandika okutegeera nti ebintu biri spiritual
n'ogamba let me kulogako this man has to love me alone.
Mweje emyaka mutandikira okunaba ku kyogo, mweje emyaka mutandikira okunoga eddagala, mweje emyaka mukyalira ku masabo because bagamba akula yaloga, mweje emyaka ogenda mu prophet bakusabire. That is the desperate age. Era mweyo period oba toli serious babafereramu nnyo. Ofuuka nnyo single mother. Buli musajja ajja obolooza yeye.
N'olowooza mukama gw'aleese.
Kubanga wayonoona gino emyaka gino. Buli musajja ajja obolooza y'ono. Ate nakugamba last time pa abasajja omutuufu n'omuyaye tugira mu shade ye.
I know shade ye, you can never tell.
Kakati gw'olina your patience, your time, your intelligence is going to tell you. Kubanga omusajja akulaga bu signs nti njagala kijjuuti. Ate ffenna abasajja twagala ekijjuuti. So kakati desperate age eyo bakolera mu ensobi. Kasita osooka 35 to 40. Good night.
Good night.
Goodbye.
35 to 40.
Goodbye. You know what goodbye means? Some of them have given up on nzanawana sagala. I don't want to have children.
True.
Nze sagala nabana.
Sagala marriage.
Marriage sagala. I just want a comfortable life.
Comfortable life, yeah.
You know what you care about in that period?
Yourself,
women?
Right?
You're very selfish.
That's the age where we're selfish.
Very selfish. Katonda bw'akoze ekibi noba nga tewazaalako kiba kizibu okuzaala.
Yeah, that's when the selfish mode
you
comes
become
in,
selfish, you start looking at things, otandika okunyooma n'abasajja banejjoogo. Because at that age we expect you to have everything you want to reach by yourself. Mweje emyaka 35 to 40 olina okuba nga osobola okwetuusaako buli kyoyagala. Aho batoddukirana, by the way, aho batoddukirana mu love. Batokyalina love. Oba onoonya casual sex, bw'abafuna akukolamu obulungi n'osanyuka, ate nawe tolwawo. You cannot maintain a relationship okuggyako nga osaba nnyo ng'ogenze spiritual. Kati abakazi bonna eyo segment kasita ogitegeera. Mweje emyaka mwe abasawo abaganda bwe babakirako. Bapasita babasiiga amafuta mu bifo ebyekyama because you are desperate.
Abaffe.
Bifo ebyekyama batandise bisogonyola abatalina biramu. Basheka babakusabira abasawo abaganda bakwebakako because you are looking for how to get it. You know how many women baseko mwanga masawo?
What to Gambia?
When your period between 35 and 40. Otandika okubanga omwana otega mutege.
Ngomwana atega mutege.
Otega mutege okufuna olubuto. Ogezaako you count the days biganye. Ezo emyaka abaana basinga oba otandise okubanga not every sexual encounter can lead to pregnancy.
Yeah, true.
You start
by luck.
Otandika n'okutega abasajja bayaye n'obatega n'ogamba patensaba onfunise ku lubuto. Ogenze bulwa otandise okumira eddagala ery'obuzibu bw'enseke. Otandise okugenda okukebera oba olina fibroids, cystic tendencies. That is the season.
Otandise okumira amadagala gasembeze ku magi.
Otandise okusembeza amazzi. Otandise ogenda mu IVF. Kati vola nze ngamba nnyo abaana abawala. Zino zonna season bw'otandika ozitegeera obulungi. It becomes very easy for you. N'omanya nti kati kano kasizino mwendi sizannyiramu. Kati sookeke. Nkusanga ntya mu yo age ya kawungeeza ya goodbye. Nga you're playing men. Age goodbye age of 35 to 40. Tebazanyisa basajja.
Nkola ajja no batomusimya kwa otwala butwazi.
You don't waste time.
Or you rather watch omugoba, you stay alone until you get someone you connect with.
Tebazanyisa basajja. Tikatata oli ne Bryan, encholi ne Paxi, encholi ne Katongole.
True.
Manya you're in trouble.
You just focus on one person all about what happens.
That's why in that age omukazi agamanze wemankoye nga nfuna omulala. Goodbye age tebazanyiramu. You don't waste time in goodbye age. Ate mu goodbye age mwofunira abafere. Abafere bamanyi?
Fere ba love.
Bonna bamanya nti kati ono period yetaga kulimba. Bo boyina sente ate bujja bagira. Because we expect you to have money. Why can't you? What were you doing?
What were you doing?
At least wakulayo ku basajja n'ogula ku property. Neyo banga akula mudamu musimanyi bereya. Odamu bereya baziza bati
bereya ya bereya
you had the party mweje emyaka teriyakolera party teriyakolera birthday party esuka million 3 bakuweleza sente 500,000 happy birthday bana wa sweetney bakolera
wa 5M
baba 8 million bamutwalako ku gundi kusimanyi bayita batya Maldives for birthday. Kweje emyaka teriyakutwala kujjako kuwafumbira ng'olimu obufumbo obuddala.
Tegamukama nze mbere nga sweetney.
Sweetney is the time. Naye tokola nsobi baby ngenda kubeerako. Sagala kola nsobi. But what am I trying to say?
Mugenda kubeerako.
What am I trying to say, darling? Muna yale emyaka gy'otukanga ebintu tebikyajja. Ne bbaawo yennyini akweza buweereza happy birthday baby. Nakweza emitwalo 5. Buy whatever you want.
No celebrations. Because
now tokyalina kikusanyusa nnyo kiri awo. You know birabirabi.
Okay.
You know birabirabi. Meanwhile, so tinda mama. Go for spiritual dining. Go for spiritual counseling. And know when to say what and where not to say. Era gino mala nkola ku mukutu gw'omuntu gwe. Owange do.
Ngazija ngatandika msachi.
I'm looking for a man who is
wealthy. You know, good looking.
Ochimanyi mweje emyaka egya goodbye bwe mudira ne muba ex.
Nga biganye.
Mweje emyaka gya goodbye ba ex baba bajjogodde. Emyaka gya goodbye. Buli gwe wakyawa ate aba muto nnyo. Mweje emyaka gya goodbye wejjusa buli nsobi gye wakola. Kakati mu myaka gya goodbye olina okuba nga yo actualizing abo abakyala mu baddeyo n'okusoma. Masters, PhD.
Ebyo ne baddayo.
Ogamba wakiri kanfiire mu bitabo. Career woman.
Kutage.
You must be successful at something.
Yeah, true.
Bw'oba wasazeewo kwetunda weetunde nnyo.
In that goodbye age. Like
in that goodbye age. Osalirawo nti kati ngenda kwetunda, ngenda kukola business, ngenda kusalawo nfene sente. N'ogamba? Bagira bakya simanyi focus kawumbi.
Focus. No better celebrity ebibyo and then just focus on
kola sente. Just go what's because you have money.
But vintage.
So kakati abaana abobuwala mutegere season ze mulimu. What stages satu.
Eziri satu. Isegeza from 40 to 31.
40 and above obo olina kubanga golabirira abantu abakuliriko abali naawe. Go wesiba ku basajja go weerera abaana school fees gaya janga alina n'abaana nga go muweerera abaana. Yeah, I know a woman. She's sponsoring omusajja yamufumbirwa alina abaana bana. Yaweerera school fees and international school. Ate gaya yatanze okuyomba. Nti wacha abaana bange basomesize eno nga basomera wala. N'abagabo n'ababeere mu Aga Khan. 4 children. Now she has 6 children in Aga Khan. But she's wealthy.
Wow.
That's the time. Kakata wembagambira buli kimu kikole mu budde bwakyo. Omwana omutongo oli mu prime age oyina option. Ate oli mu prime age atenga ebikolewa mu prime age gwe tebikuyiko. Omanya waliwo ekizibu. Omudibo guyitidde mukwano. Okimanyi omukazi abeera ne ssente.
Tudibye.
Omukazi abeera ne ssente n'abulwa n'amukwana.
Gyebiri. Tudibye.
Nga ssente oziina oli kalungi nga paxi nenga tebali akwana.
Oli kalungi nga paxi.
Nga ne ssente nenga tebali akwana.
Lwaki owana paxi omulimbalima ne olubuto omanyi yafunye olubuto? Kamwe 6 packs is our.
That's a handsome man.
I know he's handsome, but I'm saying that please. Anyway, tugenda kujamu amasavu. That's what we are switching to. Even in her age, like
babuze
early 20s.
Problem kati. Men don't want to marry.
That is something I was going to ask you before we go. Like, what's wrong? Like to have to kuchi ngate mchagala marriage. Jogela marriage ino muduka.
Abasokayo babonye. Single men are enjoying life more than the married.
Babonye. You're kidding. That's the reason that's why they don't want to get married.
Single aina kasubaruke nenga buli weekend. Buli lunaku aina omukyalo omufumba ayingira mu room ye. Ngate married man bamumye duty for a week or 2 ngate ali married. Kati abantu tebeta mu bufumbo. Kati mwana mwala wofuna akugamba ko nti nyweza.
Jenkins was saying, I had an interview with Jenkins Nagama for him. He's not going to get married. In fact, if he ever considers it, he prefers long distance marriage. And I'm like, what is that?
Men don't want to, because marriage has become prison. Abantu watuta. Sandra teta ali kumwana abandi amutomera.
Marriage yabona etsobe. Barwana we badda. Toxic marriages.
Omu agenda kutta munne mbagamba wano kwene gundi.
Era buli omu bwagamba
omu agenda kutta munne. Omu yenyina ajja kwetta.
By the way, it's too much.
There's something wrong. There's something going on there.
Yeah.
These people must be separated by the police. Forcefully.
I know.
Forcefully.
Waga nanki.
Bwebasa awo nti bagenda kuddamu kweraba. Wabewa bawerekera. Kamiliyoni werekera mu ntoowo agenze okulya kijuti. Wawuliranga omala omujeyo muze wuwe. Sandra tati ifunira yakuwerekerako ng'ogenda. Because this is that when marriage becomes toxic and violent, and you know what's funny? One of those is addicted to that. They feel
that's their love language.
Can I tell you something funny? When a woman suffers toxicity in a marriage, she's actually allergic to good marriage.
And I hear that women actually who love toxic men, surprisingly.
Not that love toxic men. There's a way toxicity becomes clingy. Omusajja akuba mukazi we ate abanebbu bakwetoolola. Those men who are violent, they are very controflex. Kati omukazi alowooza nti laavu. Kumbe is toxicity, you're heading for a hole. Ate fe abasajja abatakuba abatalina nkoleka n'enkutunulira n'okola by'oyagala ndowooza nti sikwagala. Because I'm not a beater. Kati ate abakazi nsonyi okwogera kino abakazi abamba mugenda ne mwesirwazaamuuko. You fail to know what love is. You don't know what love is.
So what's love?
No. Most of you think the things I do when I'm with you is love.
Yeah.
Love is unsaid.
Actions speak louder. You're going to say a lot of words.
Bacha abasibira mu mayumba. Mukyafuna abasajja abakopi because abasajja abakopi basinga love. Omukopi omumanyi?
Atagaba. Omukopi yalwa.
Omukopi akuwa essimu eno. Pax n'akimanya nti yakuwadde essimu. Sweet n'akimanya nti yakuwadde essimu. Bw'omunyiiza n'agikugyako.
Namugamba komyawo essimu yawe.
Oyo mukopi. Kati ate abakopi bano balina ekizibu kimu. Mu bikola bino byonna ate bwa controllinga. Love. Those are levels of toxicity. Because one of the things that I've actually, there's a statement, there's a video I did last time. I had a group of girls. There are 33 single women, all of them wealthy. I posted that video on my TikTok.
33 single women. 33,
they're in a fellowship, basaba, meeting to fast and pray
for
because
men.
They want men.
Wow.
The youngest of them is 33 years.
Wow.
Many of them are in 33 and 36. And then there are 6 or 4 of them are divorced.
Wow.
3 of them are separated. The others are in a nowhere relationship. Bagambye Bryan tusabye tusibye.
Breakthrough again.
Breakthrough again. What are we doing wrong? We all have our money. Gomanchi kitegeeza mukwano okuba ne ssente naye ng'obulidde omusajja. Kubanga n'abasajja tebakyayagala kukola. Naye bw'otuukira nga ssente ozirina nga n'omusajja abuze.
Then there's a problem because most men are attracted to women who have something. Yes.
Kati bw'otuukira nga olina ssente ate ng'olabika bulungi, you have a good job naye nga teri musajja.
There's a problem.
A generation eyonooneseemu. Bintu byonoonese. Kati gw'alina omusajja akwesiba baby sembera olya. Gw'alina omusajja nga akwesibye kayagala kuwasa. Bw'aba alinako 10%. Duka misinde.
10% of what
the things you believe in.
You like.
You know what marriage is?
Marriage is what?
You know what marriage is? A responsible man and a consistent man, nothing else. Boboyagala romance. There's no romance in marriage. That's beautiful. Baby girl.
There's consistency. Consistency.
Consistent. Responsible. What is responsible?
Taking care of, yeah.
Us not taking care of you. Remember, responsible is not taking care of you.
Responsible is doing
responsible
what?
Doing what he has to do in what season. Responsibility is I'm responsible. I'm getting out of the abundance. I'm not a giver. I'm just able to give you. You've commercialized love and relationship and marriage.
Oh, it's too much these days. Too much.
Do you know what most of you look at ability as responsibility?
That's what I thought.
Ability is not responsibility. That's why you young girls are busy in my inbox. He's an MP somewhere. They are struggling and nowhere to money school fees. Having money is not responsibility.
Can imagine.
Separate responsibility from being able. Yeah. There are many men out there who are very responsible, but they're not able.
No, they're not able.
There's a boda guy I know, but not ngatana vaka leka yo mutwaro. Bwaso kokola ngatana lia. Ngachimanya ino guleka that's responsibility. Naye gwogoba omusajja omukulu ali mu parliament okuweereza school fees z'abaana.
Kyanga ina sente.
There's a bambi woman nga Bryan, my husband has money. Has money naye okuwa school fees z'omwana. Twayawukana naye akugamba soko mpe duty. Era yatekawo condition siweera baana nga mama abwe sebaka naye. Naye osanga omusajja nga yakona n'awatenga munaku naye nga aweereza school fees z'omwana. So young girls, why you're hitting walls lately, you're taking ability to be responsibility. Me having money does not make me responsible.
Yeah. True.
That's why you get it more full of ikukuju.
I know. For us, we know when there's money, there's responsibility.
Who says?
But when you explain it, actually, I'm like, yeah, you're right.
Who says that? Maybe I can be able to pay rent for you. Ardently. Renting and never clear. Somebody else builds a house for you now. Tomuliza tomaina jadi yakuwe nyumba. Tomaina na yakawo musasula. That's not responsibility. You need 2 things from a man: responsibility and consistency. Bibiri, romance mwera bige. Bwa mufunye thank God. That is marriage.
I know.
Kati ono that's why I'm gonna put down bine bia 48. I'm looking for a rich man.
Wealthy man.
And the rich are going to come.
Oh yes.
Because they want to see what's in your duty.
Bagende.
Bakoyambule magambe kati mfunye muko.
Oof. Imagine.
Do you know what it means for a top woman who had a prime time to be here looking for love? It means she's empty. Era n'omusajja ategera sagenda kwoyo kuja ko lwasa ayinza omugataku. Rasa ayinza omugataku mu category. You know why Rasa?
He's Muslim now.
You know why Rasa? He has nothing to lose.
Yeah, I know, right? And he's Muslim now, so
he's
he can.
Muslim.
Yeah, so you know.
And we are here going to have a generation of troubles. Trouble after trouble. Ola oli omusajja yabadde ajja mama dinisa. Kati omusajja mwesibako bwesi.
Jamu namugamba genda wayenze genda togenda tulabirode nasoka jamu oluggi togenda sula muli.
Kati kamba buli abaana ababuwala. Kasita oyenda ku musajja. It's not toxic. Kasita oyenda ku musajja. Maureen. So what did I call you, Maureen? Doreen. Kasita oyenda ku musajja manyi byamwe biwedde. No man era osanga ng'omusajja nga akusonyiye nga wayenze. Sister, be careful. Agenda kutta. If a man forgives you when you've cheated, na kusonyiwa waliwo ekijja.
He doesn't forget, he holds it.
You know what men think about when you cheated? I was in my office one day. Omusajja n'angamba Bryan. Ekinuma simanyi namubuuza ani yajjamu empale. The woman said, I removed it, Bryan. That's the most painful thing. You even removed your own knicker. Bw'obeera ng'okiitize ku musajja n'akitegeera okujja nga takitegedde n'akitegeera nti wakiitinze n'akusonyiwa, you are in danger, sister.
So you have to watch your back literally.
Watch your back literally. Watch your back. Kati ono kyakoze okujja to men cheating on me is better than you're watching Mpovu Twanfe. Mpovu Twa naye okintigeko ne nkimanya. That man removing the glasses actually is the safest he could have done. He could have killed her.
Yeah, first remove the door. I'm like talking to Sulamu.
Sulamu.
It's okay.
Doreen kankwa magezi mu sister wangu mto wange. Bobanga otandise okucheatinga, be ready to move on.
In case you're
when you start cheating, be ready to move on. How do you cheat and want to stay back? Are you mad? Are you okay? Go genda gye bakucheatinzeeko. Ate mwe temulina okutegeera mu abasajja abakyala abafumbo. Abakyala abafumbo basinga mwebakana abasajja. Kasi omusajjawo ategeera nti no gwobadde tebawa akitegedde ng'akublockinga. Because men know how men fight. Doreen, men know how men fight for their women. Era omusajjawo gwe musajja omukazi omufumbo oyo baawa omusajja oyo boyfriend akuddedeza ng'oli mu bufumbo lw'oli mugamba nti bba wange yakitegedde nti onkwana, they will block you. Bw'abanga alina amagezi.
Yes.
Because men don't fight easily like you.
Yeah,
men don't fight chicken. They will either set up men for that man bamukube bamutte. Men don't fight like that.
Wow.
Men fight differently. Era bw'obanga okiitinze n'omusajja beera ready kasita ogamba nti ngenda kukiitinga, be ready to leave that
relationship
or
marriage.
Bagenda muttiramu.
I know.
That man out of anger ajja kumwokyera mu nnyumba.
Yajjemu oluggi
ajja nagitomera.
When
the man is done with you, ennyumba ajja kugisengulawo.
Kubanga omukazi yamugambye n'agamba nja kuzimba endala.
Omanyi kitifaana omusajja nga yakukyaye n'abaana be abakyawo.
That's the thing.
Kasi omusajja oyenda n'abaana be abakyawo.
It's innocent. Kuba babadde ne balinga n'agamba kyokka n'abaana bakula bana.
That's why Abaganda balina olugero lugamba omukazi omwenzi aweebuula abaana be. You've destroyed your own lineage. Mama, bw'obikkula ekijjuuti kyo ng'oli mukyala mufumbo, be ready to move.
Ekijjuuti.
Be ready to move. Tulina ofuna ebigambo.
Kituufu.
Be ready to move. If you're not ready to move in that marriage, don't cheat.
Wow. Interesting.
Kati oyo omusajja agenda kutta. Abakazi bagenda nebabeera weird. Bryan, about as for you to cheat on us and we stay, we're not the same.
I know you're not the same. But you've explained something of which I'm like, so for me I should forgive you like a million times.
Nawe n'ogakwatamu. Osobola oganywa. N'olina ajja n'agakwata osobola oganywa. You are a cup as a woman. Oli aze n'akufukamu, n'oli akufuseemu, nange nzije nfuka omwo.
Bifuluma naaba.
Ani akugambye? Ani akugambye? Naye nze kati nze take me as this man. Bw'onteeramu n'amazzi n'enywera n'onywako nange n'enywako, we are safe. Okutte kungulu. Naye mulimu etunaabira. That's why a man sees you as more nasty. Nze bala nentegeera nti mukazi wange yayenze nenkikakasa nenkifunako bwe masimanyi it's okay. Nenkikakasa nti yayenze simuddako, that's the end. That is man.
That's why they say you don't forgive.
Siddako mukazi nga nkitegedde. Olaba kankole mistake lulinga nkyalina embeera nenkwana ng'oli mukyala mufumbo nenkimanya nti oli mufumbo bwe nkimanya nti wankiitinzeko no boyfriend omulala nenkuta kukyawo nenkukwana ng'oli mufumbo nentegeera nti olina boyfriend omulala atalinze. That's the end of me and you.
Because I feel like
you're being a public toilet. Everyone pupus and susus in you. Kakati mama bawala. Obufumbo buzibo funa. Abufunye.
Era babuzibo fune naku zino.
Abufunye nyweza. Nyweza, because in the next 5 years there's not going to be marriage. I know 6 men.
That is something people.
I know 6 men.
They're actually saying that a lot.
I know
these
6
days.
men who say, Bryan, when I was married, I struggled to have good sex with my wife. She was all over me and when natawu omufumbo ne mutane ngenda. Ne mpangise nyumba yange. Every guy wants sex I can get. And guess what? She also wants to come and join. Hey. That's why the stupidity of women lately. Oleko omusajja mbuya yenze. Choka na mala okwenda na kulekawo. No mulekawo. No genda and you're ending up with married men. You know what's funny? Boys, you know most women that leave their marriages because the man cheated. They get hurt, everyone is playing them. Because the bageno chizula aluvanyuma nti no naenda nga bali mukaga. Na ending up the married man. Guess what? Negwe yaleka dadi wabana ajera na mwebakira ko mukazi ko kapangisa chokanga yava maka. You left a home and rented elsewhere because the man was cheating. You know what? All men are going to sleep on you. Even this man you left is going to come and sleep on you in that house. Josa Sura.
Wow.
But what is the fuss?
No difference.
Tuza kabina kutaka madamu fumba.
Oh my God, do you know that?
The man is a diary of the therapist. You know the diary being bela mwena kuzo. No gamba ntu.
Not about this live on
Diary of the therapist, ne foka diary of the therapist. Abana baje mu inbox. Wala mwani yandeze story. Kakati gwa ino fumba mwana kunyweze. Let me tell you, marriage hurts. Women want to look like they're equal with women. They're not.
You will never be equal.
We can never be equal. Never equal.
Yeah.
Never equal.
Either way, true.
Now we are going to have more Shakibus and Zaris. Never equal. You are incomplete. You are incomplete
without a man.
Without a man.
True. Very true, but we pretend.
You're pretending. Reality is going to hit on you women. Kati kweso obudebo mubutufu wabo. Kugambi love bwegana utandika kufate. Start thinking about children. Because that's where your true love is. You have children. Yajja kugamba mommy I love you ngakitegeeza. Kati gwe toyina byonna. Nosanga omwana omwala toyina sente. Toyina musajja.
Toyina mwana. Toyina mulimu. Ogo mudibo. That is mudibo. That is Kisirani. That is Yonna. Right?
Reality. Walone that the younger goodbye age. Aja. Luli, you had choice.
So right now you're like Aja. You're even begging Bakukwani. Like you said, I don't want but you're Kwana.
Senteze. Na ayagala musajja muzala mbana. Tayagala bufumbo. Ayagala musajja muzala mbana.
Nga babiri. And that's it.
Never batano. But she actually insisted, I don't want marriage. When funa olubuto genda.
Nzale.
Komao ozalo.
Do your job. Go. No co-parenting, basically.
Well, what's sharing abuse? She said you can support your children if you want, but don't expect them to be your wife.
Wow.
Zala bana. You know,
crazy.
It's coming.
Of course, it's already there.
It's already here.
Yeah, it is.
In my inbox, I have lots of women saying, Bryan, no musajja nzala mwabuze.
Olimba.
Babula.
Babera you Bryan.
Omusajja akwingira naga tofuna lubuto. Naga bulufuniyako ngenze. Nobera ku bunkenke. Akane kakwambali ebiveera buli kaseera. Bobijjako kondo muzinjuta. Neka withdrawing.
Gakamanya oli commission. Right? Yes.
So tying down a man, it's going to be very hard. You can get them a contract on Pameka Kuzaramu. Mpameka for my spam.
Now we was it 2M and above.
That's we're gonna send the Kandira and take a
we're gonna take a spam. This is very healthy.
Sajo Murunja atenga mugezi onamujawa. All you need is that. Weta ko Sajo Murunja atenga mugezi. Era tuliba bay mwana boy child. You are the prime. Ne better step day we koleko omulimu labika bulungi. Be attitude up. Better namagezi. Ni musaje gwegena enga yogera nge chimonde tategerekeka brainless. Empower yourself.
Useless. I know.
Have the brains. Think about something. Say something and let people hear you. You work on your presence, boy child. Time again tukanga yole prime. Ngo okufuna ka spam ko tukasasulira. Ogenda kano nya baby 10 years from now.
Ganjagala ka spam
ngabali live yo. nga bakugamba Doreen tufunireyo nga kakubuze nga bali ku channel oyo Love Life. I'm looking for
spam.
Nawe nojja kuna banange omusajja alina spam tumwetanga. Yo akisibasibula. Bye Doreen.
Oh, bye. Thank you, Bryan.